And we are back to 11-minute videos. That FilmForth pooped out again, you know? I mean, I don't know what to say. One of the problems with that is it wastes more than 2 hours of my time. And my time is very important to me. And throwing 2 hours away is not acceptable. I try to get as much time out here as I can, but I can't. It's valuable to me. Well, anyway, I'm going to move forward, and it looks like we've got 10.5 minutes or something like that. Okay, so I'm cleaning this stuff up, and I'm rearranging stuff, and I got some shelving built here. That's real sturdy and it'll hold weight. This other stuff that was stuck in the pegboard doesn't hold any weight. So I put a heavy shelf down there for some cutter grinder stuff, collets and things like that for this mill. And it's just little things like that make a big difference. You can reach things, don't have to dig around. One of the things that's going on I was going to tell you about is another business is closing here, the plastic mold shop. The guy I sometimes mention, all his work's being outsourced to China. And he's sold off some of his stuff. He had like a little hard-inch type lathe, and that's gone. And some of these other things are getting picked over. But guess what he's got left? It's a cutter grinder. So we're going to wander over there, and I'm going to try to help him sell that stuff. And I also am going to sell my early version of the Monarch 10EE lathe. I'm selling my old 1951 motor generator powered manufacturing lathe that doesn't have threading on it. So I want to sell that. I want $2,750 for it. It is actually probably the cheapest running Monarch 10EE out there for sale. But the reason I'm going to sell it is I really don't need it. I've had it for 3 decades. And, am I emotionally attached? I don't know. I just got to think about the room and stuff. And I got to keep this one because it's really needed, you know. And I'll tell you, the guy closing his shop over here is kind of bad because he did a lot of little things for people that needed things done, you know. And myself, I do too. I find myself working on 1930s plumbing faucets and all kinds of weird stuff, you know, old car parts and things that don't work. So somebody's got to do it. But I need this machine here for those kinds of projects and more. And the Axelson here has taken over for that motor generator Monarch. Now, the one thing about the motor generator Monarch and the Axelson over this machine, this has got vacuum tubes and it's got to warm up at least 1 minute before you can do anything on it. And in real actuality, it probably takes about 20 minutes to warm the machine up. Way vacuum tubes are. So I am really getting set up here. I am just totally thrilled on how it's coming out and how small and tight everything is in here. And I can actually do a project, get it done like this. I won't be able to really show projects in sequence till I figure out this editing deal. Well, eventually I will. But this FilmForth thing, you know, yeah, we'll give you a free video a day, and I go to do a short one, and it's doing the same crap. You know, I want you to pay for it. I pay for it, but my computer won't hold their stinking program, you know. So I tried some of the other free stuff. Most of it's scams like that, or I can't operate it, you know, and that's a problem too. I can't I can't devote 48 hours to learning to operate some stupid program. This FilmForth is really easy. That's one thing I liked about it. It's pretty easy for old people, but it's not easy if it kicks you out of it and it's not going to load a video after you go to all the trouble of making it. And at the very last thing of loading it, it won't do it. And I don't know, I think I've wasted probably 20 hours with this kind of crap over a long period of time, and probably about 4 to 6 hours just recently. Can't afford it, can't do it. Can't afford a lot of things, you know. The one thing I don't want to waste is my time, and that's pretty important, I discovered, especially when you get as old as I am. You know, time becomes more important. So I can do 11-minute videos and I can do series of them, but I can't do insert pictures or anything like that. Nothing like that. So I will continue what I'm doing. Now, this is all taken care of pretty much. Got to clean up a little bit over here. And now this corner here, I got to redo. This is getting a total makeover. Over here, I'm going to probably have to put up a couple heavy shelves. And I've got my Fordham stuff over here and vices and things. So I don't know. I'll see if I can do something on that. Okay, I'm going to load this video. That's, I don't know, about 7 minutes long, and give you a heads up that this, I have that lathe for sale. You can see it in videos and stuff like that. I can't show you a picture of it. It's raining outside, and it's outside covered and greased up. So that's got to go, and so does the cutter grinder and other stuff over at the plastic shop. So stay tuned for that stuff, okay? Just giving you a heads up. I'll be back.